8 rubber stamps cost $9.28. Which equation would help determine the cost of 11 rubber stamps? So let's just set a variable here for the cost of 11 rubber stamps. Let's call that x is equal to the cost of 11 stamps. And there's a bunch of ways to set up this proportion, to set up this equation. You could say that 8 relates, so 8 stamps, let me write, so 8 stamps relates to the cost of 8 stamps, $9.28, just as 11 stamps relate to the cost of 11 stamps. So this would be one legitimate equation. The number of stamps to the cost of stamps, number of stamps to the cost of the stamps. Another way you could do it, you could say 8 stamps to 11 stamps would be equal to the cost of 8 stamps, which is $9.28, to the cost of 11 stamps. So this is another actually equivalent equation. You can do algebraic operations to get from one to the other. The other options is that you can flip the numerator and the denominator of both. You essentially can take the reciprocal of both sides. So this is also, you could rewrite this as, this one over here, you could say $9.28 is to 8 as x is to 11. I've just flipped both sides. Or you could flip both sides of this. 11 is to 8 as x is to $9.28. And obviously, any of these, you can flip the equal sign. You could say x over $9.28 is the same thing as 11 over 8.